Hi, let's make a prawn and egg salad. First, boil 2 eggs. While those eggs are boiling, fry 2 bacon medallions until they're crispy. Make sure they are crispy though, you do really want them to be crispy for this salad. Boil your eggs for 5 to 7 minutes while you're cooking the bacon. Next, we'll chop up some cucumber. After the cucumber, slice up some baby plum tomatoes. Once that's all sliced up, season really well with salt, pepper and garlic granules, also known as garlic salt. Don't be stingy. You're not going to season the rest of the salad, just this veg. And the reason for that is the seasoning really reacts well with the tomatoes and the cucumber, help drawing the moisture out and enhancing the flavour, and will then pass to the rest of the salad. Take 90 grams of cooked prawns and add 30 grams of light mayonnaise. And then just mix them well together. Then add the tomatoes and cucumber and mix again. So all that seasoning is all going through those prawns now and that mayonnaise, getting the flavours through it. Absolutely delicious. Just to add one more, we're going to add our boiled eggs. Look at those lovely yellow yolks. They're going in, and again mix again. So that will take on again some of the salt and pepper and garlic granules, and a little bit of the mayonnaise. You could opt to mash the egg beforehand if you want, but I like the big chunks. And then finally top with the crispy bacon. There you have it. That's how to make a delicious egg and prawn salad. Makes a fantastic lunch and comes in around the 400 calorie mark. Enjoy.